What if I told you that BMW is not just about luxury sedans and sports cars, but also about futuristic black motorhomes that look like they came straight from the year 2050? Imagine a sleek, jet-black beast on wheels, part luxury mansion, part spaceship, and fully powered by BMW's innovation. Today, we're diving into the top 5 futuristic black BMW motorhomes that will blow your mind. Stick around until the end, because number 1 is a masterpiece that redefines luxury travel. Motorhome number 5, the Stealth Cruiser. This BMW motorhome looks like a stealth jet gliding on the road. Its matte black finish absorbs light, making it look almost invisible at night. Inside, you'll find a minimalist BMW-inspired cockpit with a digital dashboard and a full lounge that transforms into a cinema room. Perfect for long cross-country journeys. Motorhome number 4, the Urban Nomad. Designed for city explorers, the Urban Nomad combines compact size with BMW's futuristic design. From the outside, it's a glossy piano black cube on wheels, but step inside and you'll discover smart AI-controlled lighting, voice-activated climate control, and hidden compartments that maximize space efficiency. Motorhome number 3, the Jetliner X. BMW calls this one the Jetliner X for a reason. With gull-wing side panels and a panoramic black-tinted roof, this motorhome feels like a private jet for the road. The cockpit mirrors BMW's 7 Series sedan, while the rear includes a luxury bedroom, spa-style bathroom, and even a fold-out balcony. Motorhome number 2, the Shadow Beast. This motorhome is all about power. Finished in metallic obsidian black, the Shadow Beast looks aggressive and futuristic. It features solar panels across the roof, AI-assisted driving, and an interior that blends carbon fiber with leather. Imagine traveling in a vehicle that feels more like a Batmobile mansion than an RV. Motorhome number 1, the BMW Black Horizon. And here it is, the ultimate futuristic BMW motorhome, the Black Horizon. This 2-floor giant is designed like a moving palace. From the outside, it's a glossy black monolith with sharp LED streaks. Inside, you'll find multiple bedrooms, a luxury lounge, a digital home office, and even a rooftop terrace. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a vision of what BMW thinks future travel should look like. So, which one of these futuristic BMW black motorhomes would you want to own? The sleek Stealth Cruiser, the compact Urban Nomad, or the jaw-dropping Black Horizon? Let me know in the comments below. And if you love futuristic designs and luxury travel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because we've got even more mind-blowing concepts coming soon.